Welcome to Accounts Tutor YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you our second lesson relevant to the Google Sheets. In this video or today's video, I expect to discuss our next tutorial points. So here today my first topic is syntax. So what is a syntax? When it comes to a syntax, a formula in Google Sheet normally is used to do mathematical calculations. For formulas, I always start with the equal sign typed in a cell followed by your calculation. For example, if you want to perform additions, or if you want to sum two numbers in Google Sheets, what you should do is you have to enter equal sign. After that, just say we are going to sum two numbers. One number is 120 and the other number is 150. So here put the equal mark, then 120 plus 150, then press enter button. So there you got the summation, or you got the value. Now if you want to add a mathematical calculation or a what we call the, if you want to enter a formula, then basically you have to type equal mark in a cell. So if you want to perform deductions, it is also same. Just assume that if you want to deduct 50 from 100, so equal mark 100 minus 50, then press enter. Okay, if you just say if you want to multiply two numbers, then put the equal mark, then 20 multiplied by 20, right? So, and also if you want to divide some number, if you want to perform divides, if you want to divide two numbers, then put the equal mark, then 400 divided by 100, press enter. So that is how these are the methods you follow to enter formulas in Google Sheet. So it's very simple. So these are the method. This is the method you have to follow to perform calculations in Google Sheet. So now I am going to explain you ranges. So what is ranges? Range is an important part of Google Sheets because it allows you to work with the selection of cells. So normally you can select range. For example, put your mouse button in A1 cell and drag it like this. Okay, drag it by pressing left mouse button. So this likewise you can select a range of cells. So once you select a range of cells, you can see cell range inside this name box. So this small comma box we called name box. So whenever you select a range, cell range, then it gives a reference, or it gives it gives you cell range address. So if you select cells here, then you can see E14, G20 is the cell range. So that is how so that is the way you should follow to select a range in Google Sheets. And also if you want to select multiple cells in different places of your worksheet, what you should do is you have to press Control button, left click each and every cell you want to select like this. Okay, I'll explain to you again. Press the Control button of your keyboard and then select cells you want to select. You want to make selection. Okay, select cells you want to make selection by left click, by clicking left mouse button. So that is the method you have to follow to select multiple cells. So if you want to select a column, it's very easy. So here just say I want to select a column, then just click here. So once you click on this A, then it selects the column A. So if you want to select E, then press the E, then the whole column is selected. So if you want to select multiple columns in one time, just select, for example, if you want to select A column, on the other hand, at the same time you want to select D column, then press Control button and select left click the D mouse button. Then I want to select the G column by pressing Control button, click left mouse button by placing the mouse pointer on G. So likewise. So if you want to select a row, then again you have to select it like this. Okay. So if you want to select different different rows in together, what you should do is just press Control button and left mouse, click left mouse button. So likewise you can select multiple rows or the different rows at the same time. Now I think it's clear to you. Now if you want to select entire sheet, then it is very easy. There you can see a small rectangle in the top left corner of your Google Sheet. So click on this button, then it select the entire sheet. Then you can see the cell range. Cell reference is shown inside the name box. So to select the entire sheet, what you should do is just click this rectangle button. Then I want to explain you how to fill Google Sheet, how to fill a Google Sheet. You see, filling is done by selecting a cell, clicking the fill icon and selecting the range using drag and mark while holding the left mouse button down. The fill icon is found in the button right corner of the cell and has the icon of small square. Once you hover over it, your mouse pointer will change its icon to a thin cross. For example, if you want to fill this cell from number 1, what you should do is you have to move your mouse button to this corner, then drag it down. Right. Likewise, you can fill like this. So when it comes to a text also same, just say I want to fill cells from this text. Again, place your mouse button here and drag it down. So likewise, you can fill cells by following this method.